Hello viewers, welcome to Maths with Excel. Subtraction of many numbers. Example, 9,820 minus 1,622 minus 588 minus 121 minus 23 minus 2. Solution. In Excel, to do this, we have just one approach, which is like the normal manual subtraction of numbers. The result will be here. The given numbers are in column head L. So if I click the first number, its address will show in the name box, that is L2, column L, row 2. Then the number itself in the formula bar. In Excel, to carry out any calculation, you begin with the equality sign. You double click, you touch the equality sign, you open a bracket, you enter the first number, but you click it and its address will show, that is L2, minus the next number. Its address is L3 minus the next number L4 minus the next number L5 minus the next number L6 minus the next number L7. You close the bracket. To get your final result, you touch the enter key from your keyboard and you have the results to be 7,464. This is how to subtract many numbers in Excel. Pythagoras simplified maths. If you get any value from this lesson, which I believe you did, subscribe or follow for more amazing lessons and updates in any of the platforms you are viewing from. Goodbye.